There are only 3 months left in this year, and while most people will let these days slip away, you have a choice. A choice to use these 90 days to build a skill that can change your career, your opportunities, and your future. That skill is Python programming. Python isn't just another coding language, it's the language of data science, artificial intelligence, web development, automation, and more. Companies all over the world are searching for people who know Python. Freelancers are earning by solving real world problems with Python, and you could be one of them. In the first month, your mission is simple: build your foundation in Python. This is where you will learn the language step by step. Start with the very basics, understanding variables, numbers, strings, and how Python stores information. Then move into conditions like if-else statements and loops that repeat tasks for you. But remember, Python is not something you can learn just by watching videos or reading. You must practice. Every day, write code. Even the smallest programs will sharpen your skills. Start with a calculator, learn how to take input from users, or create a number guessing game where the computer challenges you. Build a simple to do list that saves tasks while you are running the program. At this stage, don't worry about being perfect, just focus on building habits. 1 hour of coding every single day is enough. By the end of this month, you will understand Python's basic structure and you will already be ahead of most beginners who give up before they even start. So now that you have built your foundation, it's time to go deeper. Month 2 is about making Python practical. You will learn how to read and write files so your programs can remember data. You will work with modules and libraries which are pre-built code that saves you time and unlocks new powers. You will also explore object-oriented programming, the way professionals structure their code using classes and objects. At first, it might feel strange, but it will make your projects cleaner and more powerful. And then discover the magic of Python's famous libraries. But theory is not enough, you must start building small but useful projects. This is the month where Python moves from being lines of code to becoming a tool that solves real problems for you. Once you feel this shift, you will realize the true power of programming. In the final month, it's time to combine everything you have learned into something that truly represents your skills. That is the project. This project isn't just for practice, it's your showcase, your portfolio piece, the proof that you can take an idea and turn into reality. Here's how to choose your path. If you are interested in data science, pick a dataset like sales data, sports statistics, or even COVID data and use Python to analyze it. Learn to visualize patterns and try to build a simple prediction model using libraries like scikit-learn. If you are curious about web development, use Flask or Django to build a real website. It could be a personal portfolio, a blog, or even a mini e-commerce store. Imagine showing employers that you have built a working web app in just 3 months. And if you love automation like creating AI agents, create scripts and that save time, maybe an email sender, a PDF renumber, or a web scraper that collects data from websites automatically. The key is to focus on one solid project. Put it on GitHub, document it, and share it. This project will be your ticket to job applications, freelancing gigs, and even your startup ideas. By the end of this third month, you won't just know Python. You will have proof of your skills, something you can proudly show the world. And that proof can open doors to jobs, opportunities, and a future built by your own effort. By the end of these 3 months, while others are still planning their New Year resolutions, you will already be ahead. You will have skills, projects, and confidence. So don't wait for January. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Dedicate these 3 months, stay consistent, and when the new year begins, you won't just know Python, you will know you are capable of changing your future.